There's a train coming. Look at bnsf. More of that bnsf train. Carrying that, all that. But yeah, it's Norfolk Southern 265 or something. I wonder if that's the Norfolk Southern 20. I wonder if that's the Norfolk Southern 265. I think that's what it is. Norfolk Southern 265 or something. Yeah, it's lost that train. Pretty cool train right there. Look at that train. So rare. Something like that. Patrick was there. If I was there, I'll see Patrick. I wish Patrick was there. Sure, I shouldn't have come here. So dark out. Can't even see him. Must be messed up. I wouldn't have gone there if I were you. I should have went to the Ravi Brew House at the park. Friends was there. Look at that train's slow. Oh, what's this? Is that a train coming? Oh, it's just gone over here. I were you. So I shouldn't have time because that was really so dark out today. It's really late. It's late. It's around 7:51 p. It's on 7 p.m. 7 p.m. I'll try there tomorrow. There's one gigantic train right there. Or that's 220 cars. Or that's 200 or 185 cars or something. I don't know, maybe 200 or something? 200 something? Whoa! What's this? We got another train coming. Yeah, there it is. You're on the horn. There he comes right now. Train me, are you kidding me? Awesome, train me from Wild Trains on YouTube. Train me, alright. It's Amtrak. Sounds like an Amtrak. Yeah, it is. Awesome! The 50th anniversary, are you kidding me? That was amazing. I thought I shouldn't have gone out there. That was an amazing train right there. We got to see the HDF anniversary train. Awesome, isn't that? Train me with the 50th anniversary unit. So on this train here, this first train was the Norfolk Southern 265. This train starts out at Chicago, Illinois at the 61st Street area, east area, Massachusetts. I'm at the North Amtrak PO 50 with the cool 80th anniversary unit trailing. PO 50. PO 50 starts out at Porter, Indiana, goes to Chester, New York City, New York, heads east to Chicago, Illinois at the Buffer Yard. Awesome train meet on this Monday, September 9th, 2024 from Hawaii Bowl Trains on YouTube. Living on the comments of the 50th anniversary trailing. You come to the old